Okay, so I like these. What are these? Hey, East Lake. I don't know what. I don't think that's what it is. Hydro self-watering container. So that's nice. I wonder how that works. Put a certain amount of water in there and they just water themselves. Check these out. I like these right here. Look like little faces. I like that too. Oh, that's real nice. Check that out. You like that color? It's nice, huh? You just got the one. That's clean. Some of them a little darker, a little velvety. Oh wow, look. Oh, this is a combo. Oh, they got both in the same pot. Oh, okay. Oh wow, I like that. But those are really tight. So pansies, these are pansies. Okay. I like all the pansies. Look at that. Got the little stripes on them and everything. All right, cool. Let me see here. Some little lavender. These bees be loving this lavender. Big old bees. All right, brother. I don't want no problems. Trying to steal your flowers. I might buy them, but I ain't gonna. You have plenty left. I like these right here. I like how the leaves look on them. Those are nice. Little peaceful looking flowers. What are these? Lantana. Lantana trailing. Salvia. Salvia. Nice. It's buddy. Like bud. Nice little buds. Beautiful coloring. This actually don't do it justice. It's a little darker in person. The camera not doing it justice. It's a little more blueberryish in color. It looks super purple on here, but it's more blue. The camera making it blue. The camera making it purple, but it's blue. Darker, darker like Warriors color blue. Nice though. I like these. I always like these. Nice coloring. Jump out. I know that look nice in the sun. Nice in the sun. Let's see. Marigold Tauschen. Okay. Annual. Sun annual. Drop and decorate. Okay. Chives. That herb right there. Some chives. What we got going on here? Eggplant. Already got that eggplant coloring going. So these are herbs over here. Greek basil. Oh, that smells nice. Ooh, that smells nice. Man, that is a man. Hey, come check the smell out on this basil. Man, that smells so good. All right, there are them bell peppers we spend so much money on. on the regular. Stay getting them bell peppers. So these a bunch of different tomatoes. Smaller, they had some larger ones over there. That's a trip though. Oh, okay. So this must be the okay. So it's the whole 4. Is it all 8, or is it 1 for the $7? For the $6? Is it a whole tray for $6? Cause it's 8 in the tray. Them was only $2.99 over there, right? For the larger one. Way more mature. But they was all like this size though, actually. See, look, no, we got $5.48 on the 1. Wonder what the science is behind that. Is it the company? Oh, this is organic. That's what it is. This is organic. Oh, okay. See, that's dirt. I bought that dirt. The Figaro dirt. Okay, so we got the red bell peppers here. Okay. Just learning. Doing some pricing. Roma, classic paste tomato. All right. Bugs like them, I see. Yerba Buena mint, sweet mint. Rosemary. Get them herbs. Garden sage. Sage is good. Kind of like mint. Similar. Some big leaves on this, huh? Remember that other sage that we had? It wasn't big like that, huh? The leaves? It looked like mint leaves, right? It's maybe just smaller. Or maybe it's a different type. Citronella, mosquito plant. There you go. Keep the mosquitoes away. Cilantro. Stay buying some cilantro. Or just spend on it once or twice and put it in the garden and get it going. What we got here? Purple basil. Oh, wow. Wow, these look like leather. I like that. Purple basil, huh? Oh, yeah, I like that. Thai basil. Okay. Dill. I wonder what the science is behind dill and dill pickles. I have to do my research on that. What we got going down here? Dill. That's dill too. Okay. Nice and feel that. Soft.
Yes, it feels like hair.
Yeah, soft, huh?
This one looks like it's soft.
It is. Oh, excuse me, sir. How you doing? That's right. Let me see here. Oh yeah, basil. That look like that's how it grows. Emerald towers, everleaf emerald towers. Okay. Spanish lavender. Oh, here we go. Strawberries. So how much were those strawberries over at that place, that garden place we went to? 5. Okay, these 5. Them already had strawberries growing on them now. Them look like they was a little further along, which is a plus because that'll let you know they're gonna survive at least, or they probably a little stronger maybe. Yeah, I don't see no strawberries on none of these. Little Napoli. Yeah, I would get mine from over there. Okay. Oh, candy cane pepper. Wonder if that's the pepper coming right here. Check it out. Wonder if that's the pepper coming or how that works. See it? Yeah, I guess it's hooked like a candy cane, huh? Candy cane pepper. Wonder what the flavor is on the candy cane pepper. What we got here? Yellow bell pepper, lunchbox red, sweet snacking pepper. Take y'all over here real quick. Check out this heirloom cherry tomatoes. Heirloom cherry tomatoes. All right. Check this lavender out. This I want to get some of this. Okay, Calla Lilies. Check these Calla Lilies out. These dark purple ones. Oh wow. You like those? Which ones you like? Those are the lighter ones. The lighter one. So checking this out right here. Privet Texanum. Says it's drought resistant and deer resistant. So that's a plus. Just learning some things. I don't know what the deer like in the area where I'm gonna have them. There's definitely some wildlife out there. Yeah, look at this lavender. They kind of cut out. I don't know. They had something to do. That sun getting low. They was deep over here, but still some of them hanging out. Oh yeah, no, they in there. But they was thick though a minute ago. All them honeybees. Yeah, they was serious. I was checking out these palms right here. Checking these palms out. Looking at the picture, seeing what they would grow into. It says easy to grow. Queen palm. So 60 bucks. Looks like it's already probably about 11 feet, 12 feet. Something like that. Looks like they probably get to a good 30, maybe 30 foot up, maybe. If that, 25, 30 feet. Yeah, yeah. All right. Go ahead on and go do me some shopping. I'll let you later.